In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Lyft promo code. If you want to save money on rides, the best place to start is directly inside the Lyft app. Open the app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, tap your profile icon, then go to the rewards section. This is where Lyft may show available promo codes, ride credits, or special offers connected to your account. It's important to check here first because Lyft often provides personalized promotions, and not every user will see the same offers. Another reliable way to find Lyft promo codes is by checking the email account linked to your Lyft profile. Search for emails from Lyft and look through recent messages for discounts, ride credits, or limited time promotions. Sometimes these offers need to be activated, so if the email includes instructions, make sure to follow them carefully. This is a good method because many promotions are sent directly to riders and may not always be obvious inside the app right away. You should also make sure app notifications are enabled. Open the Lyft app, go to Settings, and turn on push notifications as well as promotional notifications. This helps you stay updated whenever new offers become available. If Lyft launches a short-term discount or account-specific deal, notifications can help you catch it before it expires. If you're a new Lyft rider, referral codes can also be a useful option. Open the app, go to Rewards, and tap Enter Code Plus. From there, enter a valid referral code before requesting your first eligible ride. After that, complete the required ride or rides to receive the promotional credit. Keep in mind that referral offers can vary depending on your location and the current promotion, so the exact benefit may be different from one user to another. It's also worth checking for partner promotions. Lyft sometimes works with credit card companies, airlines, hotels, rewards programs, employers, and universities. These partnerships may include exclusive promo codes or ride credits for eligible members. If you're part of any loyalty program or organization with member benefits, this can be a smart place to look. Finally, watch for seasonal promotions. Lyft may release limited time offers during holidays, major sporting events, local events, or special marketing campaigns. These promotions may appear automatically in the app or arrive by email, so it helps to check both regularly. That's how to find a Lyft promo code quickly and efficiently.